Hello everyone, welcome for this another video for our MBOT class. Okay, so today we are going to learn an object through our smart camera. So for those of you who don't have their PixyMon application or having difficulty on downloading the PixyMon application, so you can use this method. Okay, all you have to remember is the 7 colors of the rainbow and their color assignments, making it number 1. So I have here a tomato which will represent as red, orange, yellow, green, we have the indigo, we have the blue, and we have the violet or the purple. Okay, so remember those color assignments. So here you can see from this screen our PixyMon application. So you will have the idea on what our smart camera can see. And also here on this screen will be the close-up view so that you will know on what you are going to do with the smart camera for this method. Okay, so let's go now to our learning an object or assigning a color using our smart camera. Okay, first thing that you have to do is just to grab the object, take note on the color. So you have to remember it doesn't have to be always green. So it doesn't have to be all, you'll start with red. So everything here has its color assignment already here on the smart camera. So I'll just start with red. So just show the object as you can see here on the other screen, the smart camera view, so it is able to see the tomato. So it doesn't know the color yet. As you can see here, there is no color assignment yet. So just long press the learn button here, long press, and wait for the red color on top. Okay, so once the color matches with the object that you are showing, then you have to release it. Okay, so I have the red color, as you can see here, red light, red object. So I'll just press again, a short press on the learn button, assigning the tomato as my red. As you can see here on my PixyMon application screen, that the tomato is now assigned as my number 1. So I have here, next orange, the same thing that you are going to do. Orange, assign color. Next, you have the yellow, long press, wait for the yellow, green, number 4, and we have the blue one. So from number 4, it will skip number 5 and go to number 6. Okay, so as you can see here on the screen. Okay, so that is how we are going to learn an object using our smart camera. So you have to remember the numbers. We have the number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 6. So it is important for you to remember the number because later on when we code for our MBlock 5, you will use those numbers. Okay? Okay, so that's it for now. See you on the next video.